Hi, hi, hi.
Uh-huh.
I have a learning to share. And I think that this learning to share is going to take us straight into our show, which is called Gyan of the Moment.
Oof.
Yeah, I wasn't planning this,
Okay.
but it has just happened. Shahzad,
It's it,
ijazat
it
hai.
just it just came.
Yes, yes.
Right.
So the learning has been with me, and this has been my learning for the last 1 week, has been that you cannot force success.
Hmm.
You can only experience success unfold.
Hmm.
So success unfolds. It's not something that you hit on like a jackpot. Success is something that unfolds, and you can only experience it unfolding with your perseverance, your belief in your journey, your grit, your consistency, with all those things. So it's a process.
Hmm.
Cannot push it. So my vision for the Leena Shah video show and for the studio, and my vision for what us two are going to accomplish, I cannot force it upon myself because it's going to take time.
Hmm.
It has to take time because it has to be beautifully done. It has to be elegant. It has to be classy. It has to be tech savvy, and it has to be, the best quality there is. Excellent is the right word here, because people demand and expect excellence from me
And deserve.
and you. Yes, yes, yes. So that's my learning.
Oh,
That's my yes,
hey.
that's my gyan that I've learned in the last 1 week. And I think you may have noticed I've kind of like chilled out as well.
I have noticed
You
that actually. Yeah, what's going on?
this gyan
This
happened.
is going on?
Yeah, this happened.
And I suppose enjoying the process is so important. By the way, we're in the April Fool season, so we're also going to be talking later on about some marketing gimmicks that big companies have done on April Fool's Day. But
Hmm.
whether you're a business, whether you're a podcast, whatever you do, I
Hmm.
think enjoying the process is so important towards reaping the benefits of it
Right, right,
eventually.
right.
And I'm enjoying the process so much.